Why don't we go ahead and start making our barbecue sauce and move this meal along? The barbecue recipe that I'm going to share with you today is called the Ladies Barbecue Sauce. This is a recipe in my cookbook, the Lady and Son Savannah Country Cookbook, and this was given to me by a friend from my hometown of Albany, Georgia. Now, I'm going to start with a half a cup of olive oil. I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of fresh lemon juice. I'm going to add a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. I've got 3/4 a cup of water. And I'm going to use one kind of medium-sized onion. And I had that going, but let me finish that up. And by the time we finish, we'll probably have 3/4 of a cup of onions, something like that. So, in goes our onion. We like our barbecue sauce a little sweet down here. So, to give it that sweetness, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. You know, there is more recipes for barbecue sauce than there is ways to skin a cat, as we say down here in Georgia. All right, a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons of just a yellow prepared mustard. I'm gonna throw in 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. A couple of tablespoons of paprika. That'll help enhance the color. And a pinch of garlic powder. Now, not garlic salt, but garlic powder. So that's a little bit stronger than the salt. It's just the straight garlic. And then I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. There we go. I'm just gonna make sure all these ingredients are incorporated together, and that looks pretty good. All right, now the only thing this needs now, which really makes for a good barbecue sauce, is lots of black pepper. That's the secret to me to a good barbecue sauce. So there we go. So I don't think there's another thing that this needs. And I'm gonna let that just simmer and let those flavors marry. All right, let's move on and get our ribs to going. All I'm gonna do is just sprinkle them with a little salt and a little pepper. And I'm gonna pour this sauce over them, and I'm gonna put them in a 350-degree oven, and I'm gonna let them slow cook for a couple of hours. And that meat is just gonna like fall off the bone. And we're well on our way to a wonderful menu for our family gathering today. I hope y'all will stick around. I'd love to have you be a part of the family today, because I can promise you our meal is gonna be lip-smacking good. So I've got the ribs in the oven, Bobby, and if you would take those out, I've got the little grill over there.
They're not ready, are they?
All we've got to do is just grill them. So if you just take those out and sit them right there. And I've already got some barbecue sauce, some extra barbecue sauce over there. So don't they smell divine?
They do. They smell wonderful.
Oh, yeah. So what I want to do is just kind of dry the outside off a little bit.
Okay.
And we're going to do that by just sticking them on that griddle.
Okay.
And I've got some extra barbecue sauce over here.
Just baste them a little bit?
Yeah, just baste them and kind of dry them out. So
I got it.
I'm gonna come back over here and finish up. Oh gosh, Bobby, they smell so good.
Do they look great?
They look out of this world.
They're gonna be fantastic.
And they smell so good. If you insist.
Which plate do you think is yours?
I'll take this one.
There you go.
They gonna know we have eaten.
Don't worry, we'll cut some more ribs. Ooh.
To you and me, we the ones that were the cookers today, weren't we?
Mm-hmm. Oh, your potato salad's good.
Ours totally different. Oh, Bobby.
Ribs are good?
Holy camoly. They're out of this world.
Mmm.
Mmm.